yellow bird.
And I remember one night I was alone in the house, and I went in to go feed the yellow bird, and I noticed he was breathing funny. And he looked like he was on his last leg. He looked like he was dying. And he only had one eye working at this point, so one eye was squinted, the other one was just looking at me with a side eye. And I went in, he let me feed him. He ate out of my hand. And I noticed his breathing got worse. So I pet him on his head. He let me pet his head. And he seemed so fragile. And then he laid himself on my hand. He was still alive. He just sort of leaned into me. And now I'm just holding this little yellow bird as he's breathing, and the breaths are getting shorter. But he seems calm and scared at the same time. And he takes one final breath in and one final small little breath out. And he dies in my hand. I had lost a few people by this age of 18. But honestly, that was the most intimate experience with death I had ever had. With me and the yellow bird. I hope in heaven, in bird heaven, wherever his energy flew to, I hope they don't have cages.